In this video, you will learn how to get a business license in Alaska, choose your business structure, decide whether you'll operate as a sole trader, LLC, corporation or partnership, register your business name, file your business name with the Alaska Division of Corporations, business and profile licensing if you need to, apply for your EIN number, obtain your employee identification number from the IRS for tax reporting or hiring employees, complete the Alaska Business License application. Go to the Alaska Department of Commerce Business Licensing section, fill out the state application online or even by mail, pay the licensing fee, submit the required licensing fee, usually $100 or $50 per year, with your application, receive your license and keep it current. Once approved, you will receive your Alaska Business License, which must be renewed annually or biannually depending on your payment plan. Now you know how to get a business license in Alaska. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.